Most people think winter means the end of gardening. Cold weather, frozen soil, and short days make it feel like growing food just isn't possible. But it is, and it's easier than you think. Winter gardening works best when you move indoors, and one of the simplest ways to do that is with hydroponics. Hydroponics is growing plants in water with nutrients instead of soil. Because everything happens indoors, you don't have to worry about frost, snow, or unpredictable weather. You control the environment, and that's what makes winter growing possible. This method is especially powerful during winter because plants aren't slowed down by cold soil. With the right setup, many crops actually grow faster than they would outside. The easiest plants to grow with hydroponics are leafy greens. Lettuce, spinach, kale, arugula, and bok choy all thrive indoors and don't need much space. You can harvest them again and again, which makes them perfect for winter food. Herbs are another great option. Basil, cilantro, parsley, and green onions grow well indoors and add fresh flavor to meals when fresh produce is harder to find. You don't need an expensive system to get started. A small countertop hydroponic unit works well, but even a simple container with water, nutrients, and a grow light can produce food all winter long. Light is the most important part of indoor growing. Winter sunlight usually isn't enough, so grow lights help replace what the sun can't provide. Running lights for 12 to 16 hours a day keeps plants healthy and productive. Temperature also plays a role. Most indoor crops grow best between 65 and 75 degrees. Keep them away from cold drafts and heating vents, and growth will stay steady. If you want fast results, microgreens are a great winter option. Crops like radish, broccoli, pea shoots, and sunflower greens can be harvested in as little as 7 to 10 days. Winter growing isn't about doing more work. It's about working smarter. By growing indoors and using hydroponics, you can keep harvesting fresh food even when your outdoor garden is resting. If you want your garden to produce year-round, winter hydroponics is one of the best places to start.